Okay, so we're in Germany, Frankfurt, Germany. So waiting for our connecting flight to Rome. Hanap namin yung A21 kasi doon kami mag-board. Wakaton. Cost 50 minutes flight from here to Rome. Okay, see you later. So ito yung parang 7-Eleven nila. Quickers. So we're now in Rome. So ito yung room namin. Gamay rasad. Tapos, tingnan mo dito. Pag tingnan mo sa balcony, ay, prutasan. Tindahan ng mga prutas at gulay. Ayan na. So, we're back dito sa Filipino restaurant, Tali and Tiago. Naog na! Welcome! Habi kong taga diri, no? Still in Rome. We're still in Rome. Going to St. Peter's Basilica. Ayan. Sa padali. Ayan siya. Nag-aano siya ng holy water. May inom. Okay. Humana. Here we are again. 1, 2, 3. St. Peter's Basilica at night. Yeah, so ito yung St. Peter's Basilica. Yeah, may mga upuan dito, nagmamass si Pope every Wednesday. Ma-view mo siya kaso hindi namin mabutan ng Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tapos alis na kami ng Sunday to the cruise. So hindi namin to maabutan. So pero dito sila nag-church. Kita mo yung mga upuan na yan. Last year dito kami ano pa yan si yung Pope na namatay. Ngayon bago na yung Pope. Hi! Andito na ulit kami sa St. Peter's Basilica Church. It's our second time. And this time, October siya. So kasama namin this time sila Uncle. Ayaw nga po.
Guwapog, mga guwapa try.
Sunlight casts a shadow. I'm dancing in the beams, moving like
angels unaware. Mga pilgrims na sila around the world.
I'm waiting for
a baby.
and the planet steady spinning. Try to keep believing by myself again and again.
Takaw lang.
My story is told, but in a way I'm still unknown. What purpose does love hold if it has no place to go? One foot in the ocean.
So nandito kami sa stopover sa along the highway dito sa Florence, Italy. So ito yung parang pinaka-convenience store nila na pwede ka mag-coffee, yan, may juice bar, mga groceries, yan. Kaya sila auntie. Ito yung Chef Express. Nandito kami sa highway. Nag-breakfast kami dito. So, nandito kami sa Italia. Pupunta kami dito sa Leaning Tower.
sa floral sa posto.
So, andito yung mga papasok kami dun sa Leaning Tower. Ang dami mga bindahan dito. Papasok na kami ngayon sa tower. Ayun, kita-kita. Nakalid. So, we're inside the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Tama siya. Ang ganda. At andun yung nakalid. Nakalid. Nakalinig ba yan? Pero sa picture bro, dili siya nakalino. Sige, ganito daw ang gawin para muli ng tower. Pero nakalingid siya.
Maybe the way we move will keep it alive. Baby, let's talk all night. I could show it right. Just to prove. Baby, don't you doubt it. You got me
Sabi mo?
surrounded. Let's not think about it. I don't want you drowning. It's just so astounding when you stay around. It's all you know. So if you're thinking of, then just say it out loud out my
Yeah, so ito yung parang market na dito kami kakain. Paikot-ikot lang dito the whole place. Ay puro mga kainan, restaurante. Ayan yung mga food nila. Masarap. So po, hindi ko kilala yung mga name, but ito yung in-order ko, frito de mare. Ayan. So ito yung foodie. Ayan. Ayan. Prodotto. I don't know. Hindi ko alam yung mga name, pero ito yung parang market. Tawag nila doon Central Market. So, ito yung namin in order. Frito de mare. Yay! So, we're still in Florence, Italy. So, here is the Tree of Life. Dito siya, pupunta kami ngayon sa church. Tingnan mo yung mga pigeons. Michelangelo statue. Ganay, sayang ko ano? Ganindot. Ayan yung dome.
Water from here. Dito ka, saka dito ka.
I could be the twist, the one to make you stop. The icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, and we could find you some space.
That's the Vatican. Yung Vatican, pinuntahan natin. Ayan, naghahanap kami ng tour bus. Hello, so we're back at the St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City. We're so lucky to have, the chance to attend the Mass for the Pope. Unexpectedly, akala namin every Wednesday lang, but ito na. Later, lalabas daw si Pope. So, lucky! Dito kasama namin sila aunties, the uncles, and the Nox.
Yeah.
il risorto ha iniziato a educare i nostri sguardi e continua a farlo anche oggi. In effetti, le cose non sono come sembrano. L'amore ha vinto.
Yeah, so we're riding the bus. Dito na lang. Oh, yeah. Okay, dire lang ta. Dire lang ta. Dire ta.
Dili lang ta kay para dali na ba?
Yeah. Ayan, so we're taking the bus.
Brother used to call it eating out of the trash. It's never gonna last. I thought my house was haunted.
So eto, naglalakad kami dito. Papunta kami sa Fountain of Trevi. So eto, shopping mall din to na part. Hanggang kahit mga tinda-tinda mura sa New York. Hinahanap namin ngayon yung finger licking good KFC. Yay, KFC. Ayan na, gutom na ayo. Yeah, hinahanap namin dito sa Roma. Ay, ito pala yung entrance. Yan siya. Mga bus. Ito na, here we are. Hello, KFC.
Order isa.
Itong duha ay ordering KFC. So here we are again for the second time in Roma. The Fountain of Trevi.
You were in it for real. She was in her phone and you were just a pose. And don't we try to love, love. We give it all we got. We finally left the table.
Grabe sculpture ng Rome din ah. Wapa kayo yung Pinoy. Apli yan eh, nung kanya. Papaha eh. Cinderella, Bigla.
Let's see what's in there. Castel San Angelos. Tapos paikot siya ng river. Yan, slicing the pizza. Karen.
Tamang pag-slice.
Ito yung tamang pag-slice ng pizza.
Diba, isang buo talaga.
Isang buo talaga.
Isang buo talaga per person.